back again.
Yes, there is some justice.
Loaded fries, hot and spicy chicken wings, and onion rings.
Do you want me to slow down?
If you want to, it's up to you. It's your program, isn't it?
I think this is the last.
Yeah. So on the loaded fries is chili beef with cheese, but in it is what do you call them? Bird's eye chili. Which the loaded fries are made by Goose Island in conjunction with Co-op. That's some heat. Beer. You're right there, you're in a trance.
I'm not watching it.
What's this called?
Which one?
The one on the TV?
Heartland.
Oh, Heartland. Netflix, is it?
Mm-hmm.
You like this program, don't you?
Mm-hmm. I have watched.
Isn't this set in Canada?
Yeah.
Cheers. She's all quiet tonight because she's glued to the TV. Goggle box.
No,
Yes.
it's not a Google box. It's a good movie.
I'm not saying that.
It's a series. I like it.
No, Goggle box is
I
a
have to
TV.
wait every year for this because I'm watching all the series. This is a season 16.
She's dedicated. The chicken wings are not so hot, but well, no, there's a bit of heat in them. Love me onion rings. These Goose Island loaded fries are nice. Oh, well. Oh.
Hi, you're Amy Fleming, right? Wow, this place is every bit
Wow.
as beautiful as Tim said it was. I mean,
Hot.
oh, hi.
She's
sorry,
normally
but-
very talkative, but she's engrossed in this.
Stopped by the house. I didn't recognize you at first, but
You all right?
as you left,
Yeah.
it dawned on me. You're the horse whisperer from
Don't
London.
speak when you're
The one that
oh,
Tim won't
full.
stop talking about. Did he ever mention me? No.
Eat like a posh. Oi! Ringo! Get out!
What do you leave the door open for?
Because it's a smoothie.
Because these loaded fries in the oven.
You're a sneaky little bugger, you are.
I know what you're going to say then. You sneaky little shit.
You can't go in the conservatory.
It's off limits.
No. Not even off limit.
Go watch them like a hawk because they bloody scratch the furniture if they bloody not watch it.
Plus, go and break the blind.
Hmm.
The girl from Ben's house. Oh my god, are you serious? Her name is Christine.
When we were younger, we were living in a flat,
She's a fiance.
and they pulled all, you know, the
You okay?
little, what was it called?
What did she
hold the vertical blinds together. Is it vertical blinds or
Yeah, blinds, yeah.
blinds? They pulled the whole lot off.
And we can't really hear in the house now.
No, I have to watch him like a hawk. Little swines there.
So what do I do now? You have to tell her to leave. Want a better horse? No, you need. One of those times you need to put yourself first. I checked
My wife has got
What's that?
well, Glenda.
Really?
She has got
Come on,
adobo pork
Yeah,
with
there's
rice.
lots of other trainers in the area. I can give you their number, and I'm sure they can help you out. The barn sour horse is pretty common. But he's not just barn sour. It's more than that. Lincoln was my brother's friend. He passed away a few years ago. Jay loved Lincoln so much. Jay was your brother? To Finland.
Put a bit too much bird's eye chili in.
Yeah, I'm sorry that it just showed up like this. I just didn't know where to go. But I got it, it was busy, and I'm sorry that I bothered you.
The
Christy, wait.
hot and spicy wings are from Home Bargains.
I might as well look at him. Come on, boy. Come here. Come on, you can come. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. See, this is what Lincoln does whenever you're outside. Come on. Okay, let me try.
Hmm.
Wait. He just wants to be in a stall. All right. Ready? Come on, let's go.
Wow.
Hey,
Hey.
so sorry I'm late. I got delayed at the airport and I was on a work call.
Glad you're here.
What do you say?
Oh, my nose is running.
Is that spicy?
Oh, I added some bird's eye
Ooh,
chili.
whose fault with that?
Me. Bit.
Is that spicy as well? The chicken?
No, okay.
No,
Well, look on the bright side.
Not as spicy, well, I wouldn't tell.
no. Ringo,
But you can't because
where do you want to go? Stay here.
tomorrow night. It's only booked for weeks.
Stay on that chair here. Oi, you.
And apparently Carl was a red seal specimen.
You nearly swore then again, didn't you?
I can't see.
I'm going to watch you like a hawk.
Excuse me. Why?
So good to be here. Hey, look at this place.
You seem more relaxed already.
Oh, I know. Where should I set up my tent?
You girls are gonna stay in
Ringo.
the cabin. I'll take
Wait, come here. Stay here.
just
Come here.
as well as I can.
Stay here.
This is Katie's first
Stay on that chair.
time to have the full fishing
Oh, you can't climb, are you?
You go inside and
Come here.
get yourself set up.
Oi. Deaf bugger.
Well, the cat's not going to see pardon, is she?
How?
What's going on there?
Hello.
Dropping out from the show. She said
Well,
she
I
wanted
can't
to get
really
to it.
give you a fuss. Well,
I think that's kind of great.
I can do my nail, my foot then.
Yeah, but she's not looking
Likes to
forward
be a
the show
fuss
for weeks.
My tongue is on fire.
on fire.
Now she knows the horse.
Well, I know my daughter. so-
Ringo.
But these chips are nice.
Oh, don't do that.
Loaded fries from
Where's your toys, Ringo? Can you play
Goose
your
Island
toys?
make IPA.
Play your toys.
It's an American
Oh, can
company.
you play your toys? Get your toys. Come on.
So, how to go with Christy? I'm working on her heart. Hey, what are you thinking?
Get your
I
toys.
don't know. I guess I just love that. Just be careful. Oh, and if you need me to kick her off the ranch, like Jack Bartlett style, just say the word.
Bloody hell.
Hello? Oh, hey. Sorry. It's getting late, isn't it? I should probably check with my motel. Is there somewhere I can wash up first? Yeah, there's a bathroom up in the loft there. Great. Yeah. Thanks.
That's good, isn't it? Because there's already chili in it.
Hmm. Really?
You're gonna be okay.
like it out here. You sure you're gonna be okay bunking in the cabin with me?
She's a very quiet roommate. She curled up with her book since we got here.
Tasty chicken, though.
The book seems to be her.
Which leads me to my
I like them ones from Morrison's. Trinidad Scorpion ones.
Need your help. Whoa. Okay. Cabin stays exactly as it is. Just adding 2 bedrooms in the back, beautiful bathroom, and my favorite part, an outdoor kitchen.
Please.
Just let me explain. I want to turn this place into a retreat. A place where we can all gather together and not have to put up tents.
It is a nice idea. But as soon as you start tearing down walls, you find all kinds of problems you didn't know existed, and it's better to leave well enough alone.
But if you do, it's going to fall into the ground someday soon. If you make it a retreat for the entire family, then your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren, and even your great-great.
I didn't think what to have. And I just opened the freezer and there everything was.
Here and then, voila!
And then go to bed.
Don't talk.
Even when you're watching TV, you start to think, oh, don't speak
talk.
with your mouth full.
Don't speak with your mouth full. I'm only repeated what you said.
Ever since Finn mentioned his amazing new friend from Hudson who could
Huh?
whisper horses, I tried my best.
Even when you're watching TV, you're still taking a piss.
For this photo, it's so obvious. You and Finn are more than just friends, aren't you? Finn never once mentioned that he had feelings.
Why his programs are so.
What was going on between you two?
This is a conversation you should probably be having with Finn, not me. He's the one who owes you an explanation.
Actually, he doesn't. Finn and I broke off our engagement years ago. I told you that I was his fiancé because I wanted to hurt you.
I don't understand.
When Finn came home to help my dad out, I guess we sort of just fell into old patterns. I thought maybe there was hope for us. Maybe we could repair what was broken, but
Yeah.
he just wouldn't stop talking about you.
Wow.
Whatever is going
They're
on
more tasty that way.
between them is over.
Yeah. That's something we have in common, I guess.
I'll get some more.
You say that.
Yeah.
You
Pardon?
obviously still love him.
I'll get some more of them and without me putting any bird's eye chilies in, you can try and piece out. Right.
Do you like onion, do you?
You know, Ben wasn't drinking that night.
What do you mean?
He was driving.
Huh?
You know, maybe too
Pardon?
fast, but,
What do you mean?
I mean, he always
I don't like onions.
No, it's not you bloody having them, is it?
for anything but that night. Neither can I.
Yeah, it's like
What are you thinking?
There was a bit.
Nothing.
it was you.
Even at school reading and the harvest. We were letting loose at the bar.
Where is Ringo?
Oh.
Sorry, Ringo. I accuse you again. Oh, you're a good girl, aren't you? You're a very good girl.
Do you blame Finn?
No,
All right.
no,
Can you stop playing with your cat?
It's not my cup.
Lucky I didn't say the other word.
no, I'm so sorry. Christy, no. No, you just wait. I'll pick up later in the morning. I'll still work with
And what I should do, huh,
Yes.
is change Ringo's name to Coochie.
Gucci.
And he shouldn't have to suffer. Come back to me and we'll get started. Okay,
He's none the wiser.
yeah. You know, I really wanted you to be a mom, sorry.
It's Foster's again. You know, people say, oh, these are like a crap. But they are.
That's a lady's drink, Foster.
No, it isn't.
Yes.
It's an Aussie drink.
No, it's a
Made in
it's-
Melbourne.
Yeah, I know, but that one is a woman's
No, it
drink.
isn't.
It's because very low. Presented is very low. So
Yeah, but
that's
I can't drink over 4% because if I do, I'd bang my head on the handle.
well, get another one.
If I do it again, he might be having another husband.
So hopefully, I want to stay with his new friend.
It's worth a shot.
Because there's 2 cans of Red Horse in the pardon me, Red Horse in the fridge, isn't it?
Yes,
8.5%. No.
I drank that one. I drank.
I can't believe that.
I know, yeah. Well, it didn't do you any harm, did it?
If it means leaving
No.
the barn, then you will.
I'm alright.
So that's it. I mean, this whole time, all he needed was a buddy.
I doubt it's that simple. We'll go for a trail ride and find out.
Oh, we're going on a go ride. Saddle up. Up. Okay. What's the point? We're never gonna catch fish.
We most certainly
Lovely.
are going to catch a fish. I'm determined to show Jack that I've been learning over the years. Ah, there. Practice makes perfect.
But she's watching these again because she watched them in bed last night and fell asleep, didn't you?
Mm.
Is everything okay? Yep. Really?
So it can't be that good.
Like it. Sound like my mom. I would have stayed home if I wanted the 3rd degree. Okay. We'll just enjoy the peace and quiet then. Your fly is in my hand. First thing kid is in the basket. Just get that for me.
Ooh, the Pope's Exorcist next weekend. Talking to myself.
Huh?
I said the Pope's Exorcist next weekend.
What does that mean?
Comes on Amazon Prime.
Oh,
Russell
You
Crowe.
know, I haven't been able to take my trail ride like this in so long.
I don't like
I
those.
forgot how much I enjoyed it.
Before your brother passed, did Lincoln have trouble?
You could do a goggle box, wasn't it?
No,
And see how scared you are.
I don't like that Google box. Oh, shit program.
Fine in the field, in the grass.
Whoever like that is bloody
Whoa, whoa, Lincoln, circling around.
sad.
I don't know if I can.
There's some people who do like that, you know.
Google box.
Hmm.
Bloody hell.
I think I love that. I think she'll back.
Every time you say bloody hell, you sound Welsh.
I'm so sorry. Stop apologizing. It's not your fault, honey. Are you sure you're okay? Yep. There we go. I'm actually more worried about you. I had this crush with an older guy. That's all it was. Dumb crush. But I saw him with a girl his own age. No.
Well, I'm going to let you watch.
Yeah.
Carry on watching this because she's
You're not gonna get on my case next, are you?
she glued to the screen.
Because I like this one. This is a season 16, and you know, it's every year.
But not on every year.
No, I waited for a year. Last year I watched the season 15, and this is the season
Oh, really?
16. Yes, last year.
You lived in here last year?
Yeah, I know. Last year is here watching it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
no.
Piss off.
Well, bye. Take care all.
Bye.